This is April 25, 2017. This is my 20-inch 1994 Holmes box fan. 3-speed. You have the low, medium, high, and off switch right there in front. The handle is that yellow that you see on the back. I've had this fan for a little while because the cover, or the front grill if you will, was in pretty bad shape. And as a matter of fact, I've got it right here. That's the original cover. And the one I found just recently was missing this one and these three. So I took them off of this one and glued them on there, and it turned out pretty well. It's a classic red, and the blade on and off switch and the Holmes word is done in what is called gold abundance. And there you have it, my 1994 20-inch Holmes box fan.